like you're the swings that I'm a kid that falls. It's like the way we fight, the times I cry, we come to blows and never. Did I fuck up? I hate that. It's because I haven't drank in 4 days. At least I'm not lip syncing. Should we skip to the chorus then?
Brilliant. Shall we skip to the chorus?
No, I don't believe you when you say don't come around here no more. I won't remind you. You said we would be apart. One of those bad dreams when you can't wake up. It's like you're giving up. I give up. I won't love, no I won't stop, 'cause I just know you'll come around. Right? I can't even remember the words. I have to drink. That's what the problem is. I can't not drink. I've been weird the last 4 days. Now it's coming out in my guitar shredding. Shut up. Shall we skip to the chorus again? This is the best performance of my lifetime. No, oh fuck it. I don't want to do this song anymore. You want me to finish? It's the redemption song. It goes like this. Remember we did this last time. Old pirates, yes, they revive. Sold out to the merchant ship. Minutes after day to guide. From the bottomless pit of my head will be strong. By the end of the Almighty, be forward in this generation. Triumphantly, won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? All I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs. Second verse. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them are gonna stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and love? Yeah, some say it's just a part to fix. We've got to fulfill the part. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, these songs of freedom. 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs. Fuck it up, redemption songs. All right, skipping that. That's the first